Updating your address on Curve 2026 is a straightforward process. Follow these simple steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Open the Curve app. Launch the Curve app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once in the app, locate the menu icon, usually found in the top corner. Tap on it and select Profile Settings to access your account details. Step 3. Select Address Information. In the Profile Settings, look for an option labeled Address or Personal Information. Tap on it to view your current address details. Step 4. Edit your address. You will see your existing address displayed. Tap on the Edit button to modify your address. Enter your new address accurately in the provided fields. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new address, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to save your changes and confirm that your address has been updated. Make sure to check your address periodically to keep your information accurate. Following these steps will help you easily manage your account details.